Esisiak lukade somer loko kaberemaido Technical Institute ko jaida ko tomnada o district loko kaberemaido kesde tolo toto akironi kamna kede aiwo kede da aito dia aina pitami kamna kede ino nosho ko tomna ngaje psinwe gita na lomutos kes ko toma e grupu ni wongon we jas ko tomno somero kalom timoratos luka bantu testa lasa nepekede kumam kesda potu kisto dotu akroni kamna kede aiko shoko tutede kede da Einono kech aradisi loko district loka molatar Francis Odoki okelo la jai ngesda bu kolim daibe
because culture is very important in shaping the socio-economic fabrics or the moral approaches of our society. We have lost a lot of morals where we see many things happening. We are reaching a time when we need to revive the aspect of cultural morals.
Aida pejo non loka polon kotom na napetanuka awere kana George Rembo okelo abuko limda ebe.
Whether you come from America, you come from Europe, or you come from Australia, our culture remains our identity. We have to be proud in our culture. Two, I wish to say is that as people grow older, they want to see the young people coming up to replace them. If the young people are not replacing the elder people, then the elder people will become married.
Reverend Elijah Eyimu le raide minister li kamna na keda kironu Einono kotom na tukot na kakumam ngesta buko limda ebe
amauro ni shukrani ndigere medio amenye pojeleka kwa maana Technical Institute priye bategere ya mojereka ne
Lucy Achia diopet kotom na ngano kotom no somero kalo ngesda buko limda ebe.
And this culture is very important, like for our students here, it can help them to have good moral behavior. And this culture can also help our students to have unity among themselves, and it can help them to know how to handle their friends, because they'll be able to know the culture of the friends they are staying with. So this culture can help us to gather these people together and to know their different cultural behaviors, their cultural foods, so that once in a while in this institute we have to fulfill their needs as per their culture.
Abenge jauh nonton, menesi otak gabe. Aku sangat senang piknik mengaji itu oleh minggu tahun. Mama ini mana pernah kirotol. Esunya nade dengunyo kuai ni mama ni seperoram. Soalu sangat aja kena misi kena neje kesi.
Beta na pigune wojak mama rasune ujak ne jas kwa kuna kunu. Keda bobo tute eponelo tolo menesi nyamat. Jasi nyamata ne bete ay tolo mun kapa ebo. Echomai echadoi keda emagira era iso ko pit idwenu pesure koto so agente ngundi boro be ponele beto right olomon engaro jodu koneda jenjo be eya oni bore kai na pidore ngai konai apidore ngai pon mama alo sai suru makakwa nileji
Michael Nyinge TV East ko Kaberemaido district.